How does colonial history still trap nations in poverty today? Colonial-era institutions and economic structures have sown seeds that sprout into enduring inequalities. These systems were designed for extraction, not development. Think about it. Resources were plundered, and local economies were structured to benefit the colonizers, leaving many countries with deep-rooted challenges. In many cases, the aftermath of colonialism meant that power and wealth are still concentrated in the hands of a few, perpetuating a cycle of poverty for the majority. The education and governance systems established during colonization often favored the elite while neglecting the broader population. This unequal access to opportunities has created barriers that remain entrenched in societies. Economic structures formed during colonial times rely heavily on primary goods extraction rather than fostering diverse, sustainable economies. Nations find themselves locked in the same patterns, unable to break free from the chains of their past. Even today, many countries struggle with weak institutions that cannot support effective governance or equitable distribution of resources. The legacy of colonialism is a heavy burden that affects not only wealth, but also health, education, and social stability. The world is interconnected, and these historical injustices have a ripple effect, impacting global relations and perpetuating cycles of inequality. Understanding this legacy isn't just an academic exercise, it's crucial for addressing these issues. Recognizing the roots of poverty and inequality can guide us toward meaningful solutions. It calls for restructuring the systems that continue to favor the few at the expense of the many. Change requires confronting these historical injustices head-on, envisioning systems that prioritize equity and sustainable development for all.